Hi, I'm Jay from Wood Finishes Direct. In this video, I'll be demonstrating the best way to apply the Osmo Door Oil. Wondering why this door is unhung? Check out our before you buy video to find out why and to learn some other great tips. Behind every good finish is a good applicator, and for projects such as doors, I like to use the Osmo 50mm flat brush. It gives you a great level of control, and I always have a few in my arsenal. So I trust you have done your test area and are ready to apply. Your door is down, furniture removed, you've given your door oil a good stir and decanted it into your paint tray. There's only one more thing left to do. Take the plunge, dab off any excess and apply. Work with the grain in long, even strokes in manageable areas. Once applied, remove the excess with a microfiber cloth and leave to dry for 6 hours. I'm sure you'll agree it looks great so far, but now you have an extremely important step. You need to give the door a good rub down with a finishing pad. This keys the surface and helps the second coat soak in, smooths out any inconsistencies and gives you a better finish all round. The end is in sight. Now apply your second coat the same way you did the first, making sure you remove all excess. Then you are done with this side, ready to flip over and repeat the process. This time including the two sides, top and bottom. Once dry, your door is ready to have its furniture applied and to be hung. All done. If you are seeking further technical assistance or advice on this project, why not put us to the test and give us a call or email? We are the experts after all. All the products mentioned in this video are linked in the description on YouTube. Like what you've seen? Don't forget to like and subscribe for all future content. And remember, always do a test area.